bit of fun, all right? Like I said before, if you can't have a bit of fun against the lower orders, it just gets too fucking serious. So have a bit of fun, but I want those fucking skins. Yeah.
The third skin.
The third skin is where we're gonna really ramp it up. But look, don't fucking give anything away.
Yeah.
Like, still fucking play good cricket, but have a bit of fun while we're out there.
Right.
Hi, boys.
Jolly, let's go.
Play. Oh, jeez! Oh, great work, boys! Well done. Jeez! Yes! Great catch, mate. Well done. Oh, yes, boys! Great work!